So, sure everybody, you can hear, sounds like a jet, or like sounds like there's a airport over there. Well, I'm gonna take a longboarding run. Joe, you should probably get inside. We're gonna go see Tornado. We're going down the hill. Should probably get inside. Fucking tornado. Shit. Oh god. Oh shit. There's a tornado. I was gonna show you the funnel cloud. Trees are shaking like crazy. Right here, Dexter, Michigan. Oh my god, there's something in the sky over there. What the? Alright, in a second. Holy shit. Oh my god, there's a tornado. Shit! You see the tree? Oh my god. We're in a tornado. Unbelievable. Do I dare go out and look at the tree? I do. Really fast. This is unbelievable. Our whole tree. Big pine tree. Oh shit. Holy cow. Oh boy. Oh, there goes. Mom, come here. Just come here. Look, right here. Look it. Come here. Come here. Look it. Behind the Carter's house.
Yes, Nick. It's terrible. You need to get in the basement, Nick. You're making me so upset, Nick.
I hope I'm getting this. Hope everybody's able to see this. This is, oh shoot, I really hope that wasn't a house. Maybe a barn. Settle down. Sounds just like it actually sounds like a jet. Holy cow. Wipe off the lens here. That is unbelievable. Looking around, making sure no trees are swaying too bad. That is a tornado right here in Dexter, Michigan. Unbelievable. I was just longboarding, preparing to go for a run, and that is really crazy. We were lucky to have a basement. It looks like could be two in there. Keeping an eye out. I saw the funnel cloud. Just about to go for a run, and then this happened. Unbelievable. I just got hit in the face, ouch, with a piece of hail right in the back of the head. Oh, they're falling. Better get inside, because that is, oh shit, ice. Golf ball size hail is falling right now. It's unbelievable. The hail is getting larger. Oh my. You can see it falling on the ground. The tornado seems to be picking up. At least in diameter, although its actual consistency has died down a little bit. Well, we see it picking back up here. There, you can see the top of the funnel cloud. It's merging together. Again, nothing like this has ever happened here in Dexter, Michigan that I know of. This is pretty devastating. Oh my gosh, that chunk of ice was about the size of a baseball. You can hear them pinging. I can't tell whether or not it's depleting or getting stronger. The hail is definitely becoming more prominent. Hopefully there's no tornado behind us. It's very hard to see any sign of a tornado right now. Probably harder for you guys on camera. The hail is still falling. Trees are down. If the winds pick back up and the lightning comes, we'll have to go inside. Still driving about their lives. Oh, she's coming home. They're still filming, yes. After this, you'll see a up to the minute damage report.